Hello and welcome to this short tutorial video. Today I want to show you how easy it is to connect your Android phone with your Synology DiskStation and synchronize your contacts and calendars with it. This means that at the end you will have a fully working automatic sync for your contacts and calendars on your Android. First, let's see which packages I have installed on my Synology DiskStation. There is the calendar package and the CardDAV package. Many users also have the WebDAV server installed. It is very important that if you have it installed, the CardDAV option is not enabled there. This is because the separate calendar package we use already provides its own calendar server. Let's start with connecting the calendar to my Android. Open the calendar package on your Synology. This is how it basically looks, having your list of calendars on the right side. When hovering over a calendar, you can click on CardDAV account in the context menu. This shows you the web address we need on your Android. In my case, I need the macOS iOS path. We will use the Android app DAVdroid to connect us to the Synology server. And we need two different accounts in it. First, we create the connection to the calendar. After that, we create another account for the contacts. So for the calendars, choose the URL with username option and enter the address which was shown in the Synology before. I'm using the same login credentials that I also use for logging into my DSM. The detection sometimes takes a while. Make sure you are connected to the same network. After that, choose an account name. Ideally, it is your email address, but you can choose anything. If you go into the newly created account, you have to select the calendars you want. In my case, the home and the work calendar. Press the sync button at the top to synchronize your calendar to the phone. You only have to do this once, or you can also wait a bit, then it is done automatically. Now let's look into the calendar app on the phone. You can see that both calendars are shown. If not, take a look into the Manage Calendars option and make them active. In my case, I want to create a full day event on March 1st, named Test Work. If you now enter a new event, make sure to choose the correct destination calendar. After saving it, you have to wait some seconds and it will automatically appear in your Synology. You can also force the sync from within the DAVdroid app if you want. Let's have a look on our Synology calendar. And as you can see, the event has already been transferred by DAVdroid and it is displayed on March 1st. Next, we want to create a connection to our CardDAV address book. Open the CardDAV package on your Synology. The General tab shows you the port you have to use later on. In my case, for demonstration, I'm using only HTTP with port 8008. In the address book tab, you can see all users. If you double click on your user, you can see the addresses entered there. I've created 2 test contacts already. Now switch to your Android phone and open DAVdroid again. Add a new account, same as before. For the URL, you have to enter your IP or domain name followed by the port we've just looked up in the General tab. Then you have additionally to add /addressbook/users/ followed by your account name. In my case, this is DEVVV to the address. It takes a while, sometimes until your resources are discovered by DAVdroid depending on your server speed. Finish creating the account by giving it a name. Now open the account and you will see the address book. Just select it and press the sync button once if you don't want to wait for the automatic sync. If you look into your Contacts app now, you can see the two synchronized contacts. You can also view the Synology contacts if you tell the app which account it shall display. In my case, this is the dev account. If you create a new contact on your phone, make sure to choose the DAVdroid account connected to your Synology. Otherwise, it won't be transferred to your server when the next sync process is started. Be patient, sometimes it takes a minute or two until the next sync is started by Android. If you now look into your Synology CarTAV server, you will see the new contact. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice time with your Synology and DAVdroid.